How to create group chat in Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create group chat in Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Instagram app itself, let's first visit the App Store over here or to your Play Store if you have an Android. And let's just type in the search bar, Instagram. So what we're going to do here is to check if our Instagram app is up to date. So just tap on Instagram. Now if it says open right here, that means that our Instagram is currently up to date. However, if it shows an update button, just tap on that because it means that your Instagram application is currently outdated. And when you update it, you will have the latest features, especially the feature of being able to create a new group chat within the Instagram application. So let's now head on to the Instagram app itself and make sure that you are on your homepage. So if you are from your profile page or from any other page, just click on this home button at the bottom left corner. And let's click on the messages icon at the top right corner. So this is where we can access our conversations and messages of our friends. So to create a new group chat, just click on this compose icon at the top right corner, and this window or this page should open. So you either want to type in the username of your friend, or Instagram will also list suggested accounts over here, and you can just click on the little circles right beside their usernames to include them in that particular group chat. So for example, I'm just going to click the little circles, or you can also type in the username like that and click on the plus button right here, and they will also be included in that group chat. So to create it, just click on chat over here at the top right corner. And actually it says person can't be added. This may be due to their app version or other settings. So this is mostly because of their settings. So I'm just going to type in. And once you have selected your friends, just click on the chat option at the top right corner. And you have successfully created a group chat. So when you click on the group name, you can also change the group photo and change the group name as well from here. Click on done, and that will be set as your group chat. So that is how you can basically create group chat in Instagram. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.